examples in the exercise 4.5. The first example, if A, the matrix A is 2 minus 3 5 minus 4 and minus 6 1. It is the matrix A. 2 minus 3 5 minus 4 minus 6 1. B, minus 1 2 2 2 0 3 and C, 4 3 minus 1 4 minus 2 1. These are the three given matrices. Then show that number 1, A plus B is equal to B plus A, and number 2, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, now these are simple examples. Okay, here only take the addition of the corresponding element. Okay, here, and for the addition there are the digits are very low. It is below 10 digits. Okay, here is the simple addition. Okay, see carefully here. For the first, okay, here given matrices, okay, given A, it is a 2 minus 3 5 minus 4 minus 6 1. B, minus 1 2 2 2 0 3 and C, 4 3 minus 1 4 minus 2 1. Okay, are the given matrices. Okay, now the first example, we want to show that A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay, first find the LHS, that is the A plus B. Okay, therefore see carefully. Okay, simple example, A plus B. Here A, it is a 2 minus 3 5 minus 4 minus 6 1 plus here B, it is a minus 1 2 2 2 0 3. Okay, now see carefully. Addition of the two matrices is exist if the order of the matrices are the same. Here 3 by 2 3 by 2 3 by 2. Okay, here now for the addition add the corresponding elements. Okay, add the corresponding elements, then we can directly write 2 plus minus 1. Okay, 2 plus minus 1, that is a 1. 2, it is minus 1. Then minus 3 plus 2, it is a minus 1. 5 plus 2. Okay, see carefully the position. Okay, it is a 2 1. It is a 2 1. Okay, add the corresponding elements. 5 plus 2, it is a 7. Okay, position does not change. It is a minus 4 plus 2, it is a minus 2. Minus 6 plus 0, it is minus 6. And 1 plus 3, it is a 4. We can directly write the addition. It is equation number 1. Okay, we find the A plus B. Now we find the B plus A. Here it is a B, minus 1 2 2 2 0 3 plus A, 2 minus 3 5 minus 4 minus 6 1. Again here add the corresponding elements. Okay. First row first column, first row first column, first row second column, first row second column. Minus 1 plus 2, it is a 1. 2 plus minus 3, that means 2 minus 3, it is a minus 1. 2 plus 5, it is a 7. 2 plus minus 4, it is a minus 2. 0 plus minus 6, it is a minus 6. And 3 plus 1, it is a 4. And it is equation number 2. And here, check this. From 1 and 2, both matrices are the equal. Okay, all corresponding elements are the same. And from 1 and 2, we can write A plus B is equal to B plus A. That means the addition of the matrices is commutative. Okay, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay, that is a 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 4 in the number. Okay, here in the matrices there is the addition is commutative. That is A plus B is equal to B plus A. It is called the commutative law. Okay, for the addition, commutative law for addition. Now we prove the second. Okay, in the second, see carefully. For the LHS, first find A plus B and then A plus B plus C. Okay, here first find A plus B. A plus B. Okay, here A plus B we have already find, but here repeat. A, it is a 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 6, 1. It is A. Plus B, minus 1, 2, 2, 2, 0, 3. And then A plus B is, okay, A plus B, we already find it is 1 minus 1, 7 minus 2, and minus 6, 4. Okay. It is the A plus B, but we want to find A plus B plus C. Okay, simple calculation. Therefore, A plus B plus C. A plus B. A plus B, it is 1 minus 1, 7 minus 2, minus 6, 4. It is A plus B. And now plus C. And C it is this C. 4, 3. 4, 3. Minus 1, 4. And minus 2, 1. Okay. Then now adding the both two terms. Then the addition will be 1 plus 4. It is a 5. Minus 1 plus 3. It is a 2. 7 plus minus 1. That means 7 minus 1. It is a 6. Minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4. It is a 2. Minus 6 plus minus 2. See carefully. Minus 6 plus minus 2. That means minus 6 minus 2. And it is minus 8. 4 plus 1. It is a 5. It is equation number. Suppose in one example we can write here 1, 2. Now here we can write 3. Okay. Or in the second example we can again write it is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay. Now it is LHS. Now find the RHS, that is A plus B plus C. So first find B plus C. Okay. Then and we find B plus C is equal to B plus C. See carefully. B plus C. B, it is minus 1, 2, 2, 2, 0, 3. It is a B plus. It is a B. And plus C. C, it is a 4, 3, minus 1, 4, minus 2, 1. And then the addition will be B plus C. Minus 1 plus 4, it is a 3. 2 plus 3, it is a 5. 2 plus minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, it is a 1. 2 plus 4, it is a 6. And then 0 plus minus 2, it is a minus 2. And 3 plus 1, it is a 4. Okay. Here it is a B plus C only. We want to find the A plus B plus C. Now we can write here A plus B plus C, and that is equal to A. A will be, it is 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 6, 1, plus B plus C, it is a B plus C. 3, 5, 1, 6, minus 2, 4. And then 2 plus 3, it is a 5. Minus 3 plus 5, that is minus 3 plus 5, it is a 2. 5 plus 1, it is a 6. Minus 4 plus 6, that is minus 4 plus 6, it is a plus 2. Minus 6 plus minus 2, that is minus 6 minus 2, it is a minus 8. And 1 plus 4, it is a 5. Again it is equation number 2. In the example 2, from 1 and 2, we write A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, and here it is called the associative law. It is the commutative law, that is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Here A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, it is called the associative law, it is called the commutative law. Now we see the next example. Second example, if A, it is 1 minus 2 5 3, B is equal to 1 minus 3 4 minus 7, then find the matrix A minus 2B plus 6I. Okay, where I is the unit matrix of order 2. Now you can solve this example. Here given that A 1 minus 2 5 3, B 1 minus 3 4 minus 7, and I is the unit matrix of order 2. Unit matrix means all non-diagonal elements are the 0 and the diagonal elements are the 1. Okay, here, and it is order 2, that is the 2 rows and 2 columns, 1 0 0 1. It is the unit matrix. Now we can find the value of this matrix. Therefore it is A minus 2B plus 6I. See carefully. Okay, it is a 6I, and that is equal to A 1 minus 2 5 3, it is a A, minus 2 into B, that is 1 minus 3 4 minus 7, and plus 6 into I, that is 1 0 0 1. Okay, now we find the addition and subtraction, that is of the 3 matrix, but here not given directly b, here it is a 2b, that is a scalar multiple. 6i, 6 into I matrix. First we multiply this scalar by this matrix and this scalar by this matrix. Therefore we get here, see carefully, here it is a 1 minus 2 5 3 as it is, minus as it is, we multiply only the 2 for this matrix. Okay, for the scalar multiplication we multiply all elements in the matrix. Okay, 2 minus 6 8 and it is a minus 14. Okay, and here plus 6 0 0 6, we multiply all elements in the matrix by 6. Here it is a scalar multiplier. For this matrix, for the matrix B we multiply by 2, for the matrix I we multiply by 6. It is a scalar multiplication. Now first subtract these two matrices. We get here 1 minus 2, it is a minus 1. Minus 2 minus minus 6, see carefully, minus 2 minus minus 6, it is minus 2 minus minus, that is a plus, minus 2 plus 6, it is a 4. 5 minus 8, it is a minus 3. And 3 minus minus 14, that is a 3 plus 14, it is a 17. And plus, it is 6 0 0 6. Now addition of these two matrices. Here minus 1 plus 6, it is a 5. 4 plus 0, it is a 4. Minus 3 plus 0, it is minus 3. And 17 plus 6, it is a 23. Okay. And now here it is our last answer, that is the matrix A minus 2b plus 6i, it is 5 4 minus 3 and 23. Okay, now we see the next example. The third example, if A it is 1 2 minus 3, minus 3 7 minus 8, 0 minus 6 1, it is the matrix A. Matrix B, it is a 9 minus 1 2, minus 4 2 and 5, 4 0 minus 3. Okay, then find the matrix, C such that A plus B plus C is a zero matrix. Okay, here it is a given that A plus B plus C is equal to 0 matrix, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 0, and then find the value of C. Okay, here see carefully, given that, see carefully the relation, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 0. A plus B plus C is equal to 0, and here we want to find the matrix C. Therefore here A and B can be written in this side. See carefully, it is C is equal to 0 minus A and minus B. Okay. Here 0, it is a 0 matrix of the same order of the matrix A and B. Okay, here we can 0 or cannot be written in this step 0, directly write minus A minus B. Okay, it is sufficient. Now it is a 0. Therefore matrix C is, see carefully, matrix C C is equal to, we can write the zero matrix. Okay, it is not necessary to write, only we can write minus A minus B. It is a zero matrix. It is a 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. It is the same order of the A and B. Then minus A, 1 2 minus 3, minus 3 7 minus 8, 0 minus 6 1. It is the matrix A. Then minus matrix B, 9 1, sorry, 9 minus 1 2, minus 4 2 5, 4 0 minus 3. Okay, now first we can write this step, 0 minus this, therefore it is a minus 1 minus 2 and plus 3, subtraction. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2 and 0 minus minus 3, it is a plus 3. Again 3 minus 7 and it is plus 8. Okay, subtraction of these two matrix. 0 plus 6 and it is a minus 1. And minus 9 minus 1 2, minus 4 2 0, 4 0 and it is minus 3. Okay, here. Okay. Now the matrix C is subtraction of these two matrices, and therefore last answer is C is equal to subtraction. See carefully, minus 1 minus 9 minus 1 minus 9, it is a minus 10. Minus 2 minus minus 1, see carefully, minus 2 minus minus 1, that means minus 2 plus 1 and it is minus 1. Then 3 minus 2, it is 1. Okay, now second row, first column, 3 minus minus 4, that is 3 plus 4, it is a 7. Minus 7 minus 2, it is a minus 9. 8 minus 0, it is 8. 0 minus 4, it is a minus 4. 6 minus 0, it is a 6. And minus 1 minus minus 3, that is minus 1 plus 3, it is a 2. And it is the matrix C. Okay, here it is not necessary to write such type, it is a 0 minus. Okay, we can directly write this. Okay, 0 minus. Okay, it is a 0 minus, and then we can write minus A minus B, and then like that. Okay, then we'll multiply by minus this and this. Okay, now we see next example. Again same example, it is the fourth example. If A 1 minus 2, 3 minus 5, minus 6 0, minus 6 0. B minus 1 minus 2, 4 2, 1 5. C 2 4, minus 1 minus 4, minus 3 and 6. Okay, then find matrix X. Matrix X such that 3A minus 4B plus 5X is equal to C. Okay. Now again same calculation, we find the matrix X. Okay, here given that the relation it is 3A minus 4B plus 5X is equal to C. It is a given relation. we want to find the matrix X. Okay, therefore we can take this 3A and 4B, the RHS. Therefore we can write 5X is equal to C minus 3A and plus 4B. 3A here becomes minus and minus 4B becomes plus 4B. And here we want to only find the matrix X. Therefore X is equal to dividing by 5. It is 1 by 5. You can write in this step or the last step. Okay, now we find the matrix X, so we can write X is equal to 1 by 5 and this term. Okay, first we calculate this and then divide. Therefore 5X is equal to, see carefully, 5X is equal to C. What is the C? It is a 3, 4, minus 1, minus 4, minus 3 and 6. Okay, here write carefully the all digits, the all elements in the matrices. Minus 3 into matrix A, it is a 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, 0, and plus 4 into B, minus 1, minus 2, 4, 2, minus 1, and it is 5. Okay, now first we the scalar multiple with this matrix. Okay, we multiply by 3 and we multiply by 4, and therefore we get here the matrix C as it is 2, 4, minus 1, minus 4, minus 3, 6, minus, here we multiply by 3, see carefully, we multiply by 3, therefore 3 minus 6, 9 minus 15, we multiply only the 3, minus 8 as it is, minus 18 and 0, plus we multiply by 4, then it is minus 4, minus 8, 16, 8, minus 4, and here it is a 20. Okay, then we write here, therefore the 5X is equal to, we can take first the subtraction in step. Okay, first we take it is a subtraction. Okay, see carefully, 2 minus 3, see, check all the calculation, 2 minus 3, it is a minus 1, then 4 minus 6, that is a 4 plus 6, it is a 10, minus 1 minus 9, minus 10, then here minus 4 minus 15, see carefully, minus 4 minus 15, that is minus 4 plus 15, it is a 11, then minus 3 minus 18, that is minus 3 plus 18, minus 3 plus 18, it is a 15, 6 minus 0, it is a 6, plus the remaining matrix, minus 4, minus 8, 16, 8, minus 4, 20. Okay, here it is the addition, and therefore 5X is equal to minus 1 plus minus 4, it is minus 5, 10 plus minus 8, that is a 10 minus 8, it is a 2, minus 10 plus 16, it is a 6, 11 plus 8, it is a 19, 15 plus minus 4, that is a 15 minus 4, it is 11, and 6 plus 20, it is a 26. Okay, it is 5X, but the question is find the matrix X, and it is a scalar. Therefore X is equal to, we can take the scalar in the division, that is a 1 by 5 into, it is 5, we can write here in the multiple of 1 by 5, minus 5, 2, 6, 19, 11 and 26. It is a matrix X. Okay, right as it is, or we multiply by 1 by 5. When we multiply 1 by 5, here it is a minus 1, here it is a 2 by 5, 6 by 5, 19 by 5, 11 by 5 and 26 by 5. Okay, here it is a sufficient 1 by 5, it is 1 by 5 into 1 by 5, it is a scalar, here it is a 5, we can write in the another side, it is 1 by 5, 1 by 5 into this matrix. Okay, check all the calculations. Now we see the next example. Next, example number 5. Solve the following. Solve the following equations for x and y if 3x minus y is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 and x minus 3y is equal to 0 minus 1 0 minus 1. Okay, now you can find the value of x and y. Okay, here given that, see carefully, it is a 3x minus y is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Suppose it is equation number 1. Second equation, it is x minus 3y is equal to 0 minus 1 0 minus 1. It is equation number 2. Okay, now these are the two equations. We have already solved the linear equations, okay, in the class 10. Okay, linear equations, see carefully. If the equation in the type 3x minus y is equal to 5 and x minus 3y is equal to 1, okay, here are the two equations. Okay, here for solving these two equations, okay, we multiply this equation number 2 by 3 and the subtracting. Okay, here see carefully, we take the calculation. Okay, it is equation number 1 minus 3 into equation number 2, this gives equation number 1 minus 3 into equation number 2, this gives, see carefully, it is 3x minus y is equal to 5, equation 1 as it is, but for the equation 2 we can multiply by 3, therefore it is a 3x minus 9y is equal to 3, and then here you can subtract, so here it is a plus and it is minus, 3x get cancelled, minus y plus 9y, it is a 8y, and here it is a 2. Okay, 5 minus 3, it is 2, then therefore y is equal to 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4, it is the value of y. Okay, same process apply for these two equations, but here in the RHS, here it is a numbers, but here it is a matrices. That means we can calculate, that is addition, subtraction, or the scalar multiplication of these two matrix. Okay, here same calculation, it is a perform, it is a 1 minus 3 into equation number 2, same calculation we perform here. See carefully, here equation number 1 minus 3 into equation number 2, this gives, okay, then equation 1, this equation number 1, 3x minus y is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, equation number 1 as it is, we multiply 3 by equation 2, then equation 2 we get 3x minus 9y is equal to, see carefully, we multiply equation number 3, that is we multiply this matrix by the scalar 3, that means we multiply all elements by 3, then it is 0 into 3 0, minus 1 into 3, it is a minus 3, 0 into 3 0, and it is again minus 3. Now like that, here we multiply all element in the equation 2 by 3, it is a 3x 9y and it is 3. Okay, here we multiply equation number 2 by 3, it is a 3x minus 9y, and here we multiply all elements in the matrix by 3, therefore it is a 0 minus 3 0 and minus 3. Now the calculation, it is a subtraction, so we get here we can take subtraction, so it is a minus, it is a plus, and here see carefully, it is a minus. Okay, carefully calculation check kara, it is 3x get cancelled, minus y and plus 9, it is a 8y. Okay, and here see carefully, 1, here it is a minus. Okay, here it is equal to, when we take the subtraction, we can write here minus. That means minus multiplied by all elements, that is a 0 plus 3, 0, and here it is a plus 3. Corresponding element, see carefully, it is a 1 1 position, it is 1 1 position, it is 1 2, it is 1 2, it is a 2 1, it is a 2 1, and it is a 2 2, it is a 2 2. Now 1 plus, here it is a minus, 1 minus 0, it is a 1. See carefully, it is a minus 1 minus minus 3, that means minus 1 plus 3, it is a 2. Okay, and then minus 1 minus 0, it is a minus 1, and here 1 minus minus 3, that is a 1 plus 3, it is a 4. Okay, that is, it is a calculation of then the y becomes 1 by 8, 1 2 minus 1 4, 1 2 minus 1 4, it is the value of the y. Now we find the value of x by equation number 2 or 1. You can find the value of x by 1 or by 2. We can write here, it is equation number 2 by 2. X is equal to 3y becomes here. Okay, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 plus 3y. Okay, here by 2, x equal to 3y, we can write the right side by plus, and here y is equal to this, therefore 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 plus here 3, and it is 1 by 8, we can directly write here 3 by 8 and into this matrix 1 2 minus 1 4, and now we calculate. Okay, see carefully the calculation, it is a 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 plus 3 by 8 multiplied by this, it is a 3 by 8. Okay, 3 by 8 into this, it is a 6 by 8. Okay, we can write it is a 3 by 4. Okay, but in the denominator we can take the 8. Okay, it is a minus 3 by 8 and it is 12 by 8. Okay, here will be calculation. Okay, but in all denominator we can take the value 8. Okay, here it is easy to get the common element. Okay, now we can adding this. See carefully, 0 plus 3 by 8, it is a 3 by 8, 0 plus 3 by 8, and now here minus 1 plus 6 by 8. See carefully the calculation, minus 1 plus 6 by 8, minus 1 plus 6 by 8, that is minus 8 plus 6, it is minus 2 by 8, minus 1 plus 6 by 8. Now 0 plus minus 3 by 8, it is minus 3 by 8, and here minus 1 plus 12 by 8, again minus 1 plus 12 by 8, here 8, here minus 8 plus 12, that is a 4 by 8, and then we can take common from all elements, it is a 1 by 8, and then we get 3 minus 2 minus 3, and it is a 4. See carefully, when we can take common 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, it is 3 minus 2 minus 3 and 4. Okay, see carefully this, and it is the value of x, it is x and it is y, it is the solution. X is equal to, last answer can be written below, it is x is equal to 1 by 8 this matrix, and y is equal to 1 by 8 this matrix. It is the last answer of this question. Okay, see carefully.